Hey, man, if you got an electric golf cart, have you wondered when is it my time to buy the batteries? When is it my time to know that the batteries are bad, and how can I tell? Well, I'm gonna give you some tips on here on how to look at the signs of the batteries. Let the batteries talk to you pretty much, all right? The first sign you wanna look at, if you look at the batteries, all right? And you'll notice on this battery right here, let's see, it's swollen up. The camera don't do it justice, does it? But it's swollen. This post here is swollen compared to the rest of them. All right, it's like a heel here. You can't see on the camera; it ain't showing it. The rest of them look good. That's a dead giveaway that your batteries are getting hot and they're swelling, that they're going bad. Now, also another way to tell, whenever you add water in your batteries, and you notice this here has no water in them, but if you'll notice them plates in there start to fall apart, or if you notice your water starts getting cloudy, that means that your plates are deteriorating and they're falling apart. And another way to tell is if you're properly maintaining your batteries and watering them and you start to see corrosion, that means your batteries are showing some age. It's time to start saving some money because they're about to go out. And then you might want to consider a lithium battery, because the way batteries work, the older the batteries get, the longer they take the charge. And the longer they take the charge, this is what happens right here, all right? The longer they take the charge, the hotter they get, it cooks them. All right, and that's some dead giveaway signs, man, I wanted to show everybody. Or if you notice, one of the main signs is before you used to could drive 12 miles, now you can't even make it around the block, but it's charged up. Or it depending what type of charger you have, some chargers are designed where if you charge them for 24 hours and the charger don't shut off, the charger will flash a 3 flash code to let you know there's a problem. But all right, man, I just wanted to show y'all, man, a couple signs when you know it's time for your batteries. And that's why you go lithium, man. Go to a Bolt lithium battery. Been selling them 5.5 years and have had none go bad, man. None. All right, stay tuned, man.